Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will see how we can use different CAD blocks to use in our furniture layout, where we need to represent single beds or double beds. As in last session, we saw how we created a bed. In this session, we will see a variety of beds. For instance, here is a double bed and there are two side tables and it has a variety of pillows. So, in case you need a very simple double bed with two side tables, you can remove those extra pillows. All these CAD blocks are joined. So, in case you need to change the geometry, you can simply explode it like this and then you can change the different attributes. Like here, I'm reducing the length of these lines. Here are few more patterns. So, whenever you're doing a 2D furniture layout drawing, you can use any one from these as you like. You can see here we have a very nice pattern. Here is a pillow, two side tables, and the main thing which is being used here is a hatch. What if we want to change the pattern, which is the other side of the sheet? We can simply change these intensities to get a very nice view and pattern. Here we have few more samples of double beds. Let's skim through and go to these ones. You can see these are very stylish CAD blocks which have some centered carpet pieces. Now you must have known that here the hatch command has been used to create these patterns. With the passage of time, you will know different hatch commands and their different patterns, like usually grass is used for such type of patterns. As I have told you before, that AutoCAD is not limited to only architecture. So here are some single bed patterns. If there is a room with single bed pattern or twin single bed patterns, you can use these blocks as well. So this was all about this session. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.